Excel assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 04 Cumulative Assessment Variation Rockville Auto Sales. In its project description, you work for a Rockville Auto Sales and have asked to aid in the development of spreadsheet to manage sales and inventory information. You will start task with the previous worksheet that contains vehicle information and sales data for 2018. You need to convert the data into a table. You will manage to the larger worksheet, prepare the worksheet for printing, sort and filter the table, include calculations and then format the table. That's our project description. We will move to our assignment. In our first step, he is asking us to download the Excel sheet. We have already downloaded the Excel sheet. In our second step, he is asking us about the freeze the first row on the fleet information worksheet. We will go to the fleet information worksheet. That's our fleet information worksheet. We will select the first row. We will go to the page layout. We will go to the data. In the view ribbon, we will go through the freeze panes, and in this we will get the freeze the top row. So now it's freeze. That's our second step. Our third step is convert the data to a table, name the table to inventory and apply gold table style medium 19. So we will copy this one. We will select the data, or you can directly press Ctrl+A, then it will select the all data in the worksheet, or you can manually select the data. We will go to the insert and we will select the table. We will press OK. That's our table, and we will rename our table to as inventory, and which we need table style gold table style medium 19. We will select gold table style medium 19. That's our gold table style medium, and we will select this one. That's our table. That's our third step. Remove the duplicates. We will select the table. We will go to the data, and here we will go to the remove. In the data tool ribbons, we will go to the remove duplicates. We will press OK, and we will 3 duplicates are found. We will remove the duplicate. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is sort the table by make in the alphabetical order. Add a second level to sort by year, smallest to larger, and third level to a sort by a sticker price to smallest to larger. So we will go to the home ribbon, and here we will select in the table. We will select the custom sort, and what is we need to buy. First by make, smallest in alphabetical order, and then second we will add a year. We will see what we need to by year, smallest to larger, and then at the end we need to enter sticker price, that is also smallest to larger. So we will press OK. So our 3 sorts are now applied, and that's our fifth step. Our sixth step is repeat the field names on the all pages. So we will go to the page layout. We will go to the page setup. We will go to the sheet, and we will row to repeat at the top. In this we will select the top row and press OK. So our fields now repeat at every pages. So that's our 6th step. Our 7th step is change page breaks, so each vehicle is printed on a separate page. So we need to separate the vehicles by vehicle make. So we will go to the view, we will go to the page breakup, and we will zoom this one. So we have got where we have got the page breakup. So we will change this one by make. So we will do one by one. We will drag this one to upside. So after BMW page breaks, then second for Chevy, but each vehicle is printed on a separate page. So we will select this one and drag this one to upside. We will go upside. We will put after Chevy. Then after Ford, we will drag this one upside. After Ford, we will press this one here. Then after Honda, we will drag this one. So we have now selected that we have got every vehicle by make is on the separate page. So that's our 7th step. Our 8th step is add a footer with your name on the left side, sheet name in the center, and file name code on the right side. So we will go to the home tab. We will go to the page layout. Insert, we will go to the text option. We will select header and footer and press OK. No, we don't. We will press Ctrl Z. Maybe we have wrong something. So that's our 8th step. Our 9th step is display the sales information worksheet and convert data to a table and name the table sales and apply green table style dark 11. So we will go to the sales. We will select the data. By pressing Ctrl A, we will go to insert a table and rename the table as a sales. And which one we need to select? Apply the green table style dark 11. Green table style dark 11. We will go to the dark. That is green table style dark 11. And type percentage of sticker in the cell E1. We will copy this one and go to the cell E1 and paste it here. That's our 10th step. In this way we have performed our 10 steps. We have total 20 steps of this assignment. So if you need help about the steps remaining in this assignment or the steps inside this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. or you can contact me on my email, which is given in the description of this video, or you can directly comment on this video, so I will reply you soon.